Panto, that was in Cork at the time. And it speaks of Conor Cruise O'Brien, who's a noted politician, who, if you wouldn't be aware of Irish politics, did a fierce thing altogether in 1960. He was estranged from his wife and met up with a poetess, a fantastic poetess in the Irish language, Mackey, who had estranged from her husband, and they publicly were entwined in front of the nation. It was a big, that was forever done in Italy and still be done. And France, and there was nothing to have a liaison outside of marriage, but in Catholic Ireland at the time it was, you can only imagine. Anyway.
That's just a little bit strange.
It is, yeah. Bertie Ahern barely got away with it. He got away with a lot of things fellas wouldn't. And there has the medical card, which is a big thing here in Ireland, which just came out at the time, and a few more things besides. So this is a song based on the Kerry Recruit, which is called the Congo Recruit.
About 6 months ago I was digging the land with a pair of old brogues and the spade in me hand. Says I to myself, such a pity to see such a fine sample and a fuddle turf and silly, but me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?
Well, I buttered me brogues and shook hands with me spade, and went off to enlist in the Congo Brigade. When I told the commander I'd like to sign up, ach my grind who said he, unvil gwell in the gut, with me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?
Now the first place they took us was out farmers for us, to a flying machine, and we all climbed aloft. We were tied up like goats to the wall. We laughed in the viaduct, the feathers and all. But me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?
Well, out in Katanga we landed quite sound. I was thankful to God to set foot on the ground. Then this fella came up to me saying, me moo too. Well, I ups and says, no, a safe sort to you.
With me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho,
what fall did I gain?
Now cruising along came Conor O'Brien, with the cuss of a bowler from Carriganine. With Martha his girl, how happy they'd be, with the membership card from Sean Mackey. Me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?
Then up steps Lumumba, a man of great fame. He asked me me country, I told him me name. I told him before, and I tell him again, that me mother and father are two Kerry men. With me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?
Now me 10 months are up, and I'm glad it's not.
Yeah, 10, yeah.
How many months has this been out there?
I think it was 6, was it?
Only 6 months are up, and I'm glad it's not 10. I strike back for Tralee and dig Craigies again.
Thank God.
I'll butter me brogues and shake hands with me spade. Slan bio to the UN-O Irish Brigade. With me Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain? Kerry I ho, what fall did I gain?